Let's step inside and see how this wealth is actually engineered.
Behind these walls, money is engineered under extreme security. No one enters without layered verification. Modern banknotes begin as engineered cotton linen fiber. Security is embedded before the ink ever touches the surface. Every millimeter is measured. The sheet must be perfectly stabilized before printing begins. Even microscopic variation can compromise security. The first layer builds invisible complexity. This is where currency gains its raised texture. Pressure transforms ink into security. Every note receives its own identity. One flaw and the sheet is rejected. From sheet to individual currency, every note is counted at machine precision. From single note to secured block.
Dual key protocol initiated. Stand by for clearance. Dual key protocol active. Clearance granted. Case is scanned and verified. Moving to transport.
Before circulation, every dollar rests under protection. Release requires layered authorization. From vault to armored protection.
Case unlocked, seals intact. First batch on the table, logging serials. Stacks aligned, proceeding to count.
Distribution begins at the central reserve. Every transfer is documented. Verification ensures authenticity before public release.
Panel unlocked, cassette loaded. $40, please.
And finally, engineered currency reaches the public. Now the engineered currency enters daily life.
Here you go. Thank you. I'll just check this. All set. Here's your receipt.
Printed under pressure, counted by machine, secured by vault. From engineered fiber to everyday exchange.